In a serene valley where sunbeams danced on silken streams, a wise old snail named Sable cherished the art of storytelling through songs. One day, a lively cricket named Chime, known for his jolly tunes, seemed unusually quiet, perched silently on a stone. "What silences your chirping, Chime?" Sable inquired softly. "My latest song feels incomplete," Chime replied. Sable pondered, then suggested they blend their voices. With a nod, Sable hummed a gentle melody, and Chime added his rhythmic chirps. As their harmonies filled the valley, Chime's song found its missing notes. Together, under the sunlit sky, their newfound duet became a symphony of friendship, echoing through the golden meadow.